Okay, let's talk a little bit about reading the SolidWorks file, an SLPRT file directly from SolidWorks. So let's do a file open, and we're going to use this big box R2. It's horizontal, so I'm going to select horizontal, and I'm going to say OK to that. If you don't already know, in SolidWorks, if you had multiple configurations, we will be able to read any of those configurations. I'll say OK to that. And now we have a attribute map. So with SolidWorks, we read in, or I should say any CAD product, if there's attributes on there, at this point it's only color attributes, they will read in. So any CAD product that you have. What you notice here is that as we're reading the file, we already have the smart points. By using the whole wizard creation tool in SolidWorks, we automatically read those attributes from that particular function. So if we go up and we look at the whole manager, you'll see it's automatically loads everything in, all the diameters. You notice that now it recognizes that it's a tap, and if we scroll down here, you'll see it'll tell you what the tap is. And at this point I could auto group based on my preferences, run the auto wizard, and all the holes will be drilled, everything will be tapped, and it'll all be done automatically. So this is a very new function, and it's a very nice. So that's reading in directly from SolidWorks. The thing to remember here is that these holes need to be created with the SolidWorks Hole Wizard tool in order for it to work. Okay? Not only do we do that, but if we go up here to Features and we go to the Feature Manager, we now read in all the features that were done. Okay, so if we had in maybe a shell, if I select it, you can see where the shell was created. You can then pick here and see where the quarter 20 tap hole was created. So all these patterns, all these things now you can use for selection or editing or whatever. You can change the colors on them. So in fact, you could actually go up in here and say, well, I want that to be pink. And again, we would go up here and we would look for the feature colors, and now they're pink. So you can do a lot of different things. Point being is that we're now reading in all the hole information, including taps, and all the feature information. Also, in the attribute manager, it stores all the attributes as well. So you can go through here if you wanted to, and you can change them, you can add them together, you can do all the things you can do with attributes. So right now, SolidWorks, import the file, read all the tap information, all the hole information, and all the feature information. So that's bringing in a file from SolidWorks.